Good morning, everyone. Today I would like to share another Guan Yin story, Fearless Guan Yin. Back to the old Asian time in Asia, there is a temple. There is hundreds of thousands of monks practice meditation and worship every day in temple. In the early morning before the sunrise, all the monks get up early and do the morning prayer. One day, there is one stranger, the middle-aged man, approached to the gate of this temple and looking around, investigate the surrounding environment. No one noticed that, but a little monk hiding a corner near the gate of the temple. The little monk saw this stranger with some suspicious activity around, but no one discovered. The days passed. All the monks do the morning prayer, afternoon prayer, evening prayer, doing the meditation, and practice Gong Fu regularly. No one actually noticed something is happening. In this day, the day become dark very soon. Suddenly, entire sky become dark. No one actually can see the moonlight or even the star. But all the monks still concentrate in doing the practices, and only one young monk, a very young monk. This young monk cannot actually sit in the meditation hall and doing the worship. So he decided to escape himself from the main hall to walking around in the temple, try to find something he can do by himself. Just about he's trying to search in something. And immediately this young monk finding something special under a tree near the corner of the gate. So he kneels down himself and hiding himself under the tree, try to spend whole night relaxing himself in that corner. Just about the day get dark, passing the midnight, all the monks fall asleep deeply. No other monks actually noticed this young little monk escaping himself and not returning to his room. So this young monk spent whole night playing around under the tree, under the shadow. No one knows what he was doing there. Just about the time the little monk feel tired, he about to fall asleep. Immediately, he noticed the gate of the temple was open slowly. This young monk was scared to death. He thought maybe it was the ghost. So he hiding himself in a corner, continue observing what is actually open the gate of the temple. After a couple minutes later, the gate was being opened. He saw no one there. And this little young monk was getting scared because he believed it was ghost open the gate. Just about the time he tried to take all the courage he has, try to close the gate by himself. And immediately he noticed there is many robbers hiding back of the gate. They opened the gate and sneaking into the temple very silently. There's no other monk notice there's a robber coming to the temple. But only this young monk, he saw this. After all the robbers get into the temple, they closed the gate silently. And immediately 100 of robbers set up the fire across different locations of the temple. The little monk was scared to death and he felt helpless. He couldn't fight those robbers. At the same time, he couldn't escape from the temple. So he continued hiding himself under the tree, protecting his seeing nothing. And immediately he remembered the senior monk told him before, if facing a fear or facing a danger, just call Guan Yin's name and requesting the help from the Guan Yin. Guan Yin will assist you. Once the little monk remembered what his master told him, what he needed to do when he faced fear and danger. Immediately, he silenced calling Guan Yin's name, 南无观世音菩萨，南无观世音菩萨，观音菩萨，观音菩萨。And he sincerely knees down himself on the ground and crying and say, Guan Yin Bodhisattva, please help all of us, releasing and calm down this fire. Please, please, please. Then the young monk crying silently and reciting name of the Guan Yin and keep requesting Guan Yin to assist him. Suddenly, there is one young man who is very tall, taller than the gate door of the temple. He opened the gate, slowly, silently get into the temple. And this young man, who is very tall, didn't bring any weapon with him. As he walked in front of this robber, the robber just lost conscious, fall on the ground without any ability to fight back. So this tall young man, stepping by one to resolve all of these 100 robbers, all of the 100 robbers falling on the ground, stopped doing any bad thing in the temple. Once this young tall man stopped all 100 robbers setting the fire, but the fire already there around all the temple. There is a helper here, but both of them cannot calm down the fire because they do not have any water at all. Just about he is doubting how can they rescue all of the monks from this huge fire happening in the temple set by the robbers. This young man who is very tall, he's slowly flying above sky and immediately have a huge rain. All the fire immediately were gone because of the heavy rainfall. And immediately the young monk realized this young man could be a soldier sent by the Guan Yin to rescue them. So the young monk kneels down and say, are you Guan Yin Bodhisattva? Or are you the captain sent by Guan Yin, came to rescue us? Please let me know, who are you? The young monk kept crying and showing respect to the sky and talking to this tall young man. Immediately, this tall young man manifests a gorgeous Guan Yin true body above the sky. And when this happened, and suddenly, the young monk was shouting to the sky and say, everyone, all the monks, master, please wake up, please wake up. Everyone, please wake up. The Guan Yin appeared in our temple. After the little monk shouting, all the monks, including the senior master in the temple, they all wake up. All of them saw the true body of Guan Yin appear in the sky, have the three eyes on the Guan Yin's face, holding the holy object to protect them. Once all the monks, including the little young monk, saw the gorgeous body of the Guan Yin appear above the sky, they all knees down and show the respect to the Guan Yin. And the young monk say, thank you, Guan Yin, for appearing your true body to rescue us. We will continue to practice hard to retain your spirit in our temple. And not only the young monk keep requesting this, the senior masters, all the monks, they all voicing out to requesting the Guan Yin, permanently reciting in the temple. Just by all of their requests once, twice, 3 times, over million times until the sun rise, the true body of the Guan Yin appear above the sky, slowly flying down to middle of the main shrine room in the temple and become a statue of the Guan Yin in the temple. So All of the monks, including the senior master, they all rushed to the main shrine room and showed respect to the Guan Yin statue. Then immediately the senior master said, "Please show your respect to Fearless Guan Yin." This Guan Yin, her name is Fearless. It means when you are in a fear, when you are in danger, the Guan Yin will appear in front of you, will rescue you. Please, everyone, show your respect to Fearless Guan Yin. Once the senior master said this, and he touched the head of the little monk and said, "Because of your sincerity, your true devotion, you want to safeguard us, rescue all of the monks in the temple. Your true connection of a great compassion, invite Fearless Guan Yin in our temple. We all need to thank you." Because of this true existence of the Fearless Guan Yin, encourage all of the monks, practice a great compassion more sincerely, more diligently. By these magical things happen in the temple, the news, of course, also spreading around in the village. And all the villagers, they one by one, family by family, every day, every year, they come to show the respect to the Guan Yin. They worship to the Guan Yin. And the Guan Yin's belief become their religion in the entire county and the villages. So this is the story of Fearless Guan Yin, happened in a monastic temple. I think from this very interesting presence of Guan Yin, give us a true teaching. When we feel hopeless, when we facing a danger, just simply requesting the Guan Yin. When you requesting the Guan Yin to assist you, please arouse a great compassion. Because great compassionate heart is a true essence of Guan Yin. If we have this true great compassion essence in us, then our channel with the Guan Yin is truly connected at real time. We don't need to seeking others to helping us. As long as we can arousing the true compassion within us, we can requesting Guan Yin to protecting us anytime, so we can become fearless as well. So I hope this Guan Yin story can give you some inspiring as well. When we facing the fear, facing the danger, we also need to relate others facing the fear and the danger. We arousing this great compassion. Then we open our heart, directly connect with Guan Yin. I wish you enjoy my story of Guan Yin today, Fearless Guan Yin. May Fearless Guan Yin always bless you, free from the danger, free from the fear. If you haven't subscribed our channel, please kindly subscribe to support us. If you like this story, please kindly share the story to your friends and a thumb up to give us some feedback. I wish to see you soon in the future and hope next time I'll see you again in the story of Guan Yin. Thank you.